This is the complete guide to Higgsfield AI, the human-centric AI video platform built by the former lead of Snap's machine learning team. Higgsfield's core differentiator is character consistency, the ability to place the same person in unlimited different scenes from a single reference photo. By the end of this video you will know every Higgsfield feature, how character consistency works across any scene and style, how the motion library applies realistic human animation in one click, how lip sync and face drive bring characters to life, how styles and camera presets create cinematic results instantly, how Higgsfield compares honestly to other AI video tools, every pricing plan, and 8 pro tips for dramatically better Higgsfield video. Let us get into it. Higgsfield AI was founded in 2023 by Dmytro Shvets, who previously led the machine learning team at Snap and worked in machine learning at Instagram. The founding team built some of the most widely used AI-driven creative features in consumer social media, which is reflected in Higgsfield's emphasis on ease of use and creative accessibility. The central mission is to make anyone the star of a cinematic AI video without any technical skill. Where most AI video tools focus on scenes, environments, and objects, Higgsfield is specifically optimized for realistic human characters. The platform handles face consistency, body proportion, natural motion, realistic facial expressions, and lip synchronization better than any general-purpose AI video tool. Higgsfield has a strong mobile-first approach with a polished iOS app alongside the web interface, and includes a social feed for discovering and sharing creations in the platform. Let me walk through every major Higgsfield feature. Character consistency, the signature feature. Upload one reference photo of any person and Higgsfield places that same person, with the same face and build, into any scene you generate, with no drift in appearance across clips. Motion library, hundreds of pre-built human motions that you apply with a single tap. Walking, running, dancing, specific sports movements, hand gestures, and expressive actions, all with physically realistic human animation. Face drive, record your own facial performance using your camera and transfer that expression, timing, and movement to any AI character. Lip sync, upload any audio file and Higgsfield automatically moves the character lips to match every syllable. Video styles, switch between cinematic, anime, 3D render, and photorealistic styles with a single selection. Camera presets, add professional camera moves to any generation. Selfie to video, photograph yourself and insert yourself into any generated video scene. And the social feed, browse and share creations inside the app. Character consistency is the feature that most clearly separates Higgsfield from every other AI video tool. You upload a single clear photograph of the person you want to feature. This becomes the reference for that character in every subsequent generation. From that point, every video you generate with that character shows the same face and physical features regardless of the scene or style. The character in a snowy mountain setting looks identical to the same character in a futuristic city, a vintage kitchen, or a space station. Consistency holds across all of Higgsfield's video styles. The same character looks like themselves in photorealistic mode, in anime style, and in 3D render mode. Any motion from the motion library can be applied without breaking consistency. You can also add a second consistent character to a scene using separate reference photos for each. And you can use a real person or create a fictional character from a drawn portrait or a generated image. Here is how to get started with Higgsfield AI from scratch. Step 1. Go to Higgsfield.ai and create a free account. Google or Apple login. Free daily generations included. No card required. Step 2. Download the iOS app if you prefer working on mobile. The app is full-featured and often faster for trying features quickly. Step 3. Browse the social feed before creating. Tap any video to see the style, motion, and settings that produced it. This is the fastest way to understand what Higgsfield can produce. Step 4. Try your first generation with a text prompt and a style. Choose cinematic, write a simple scene description, and generate. Step 5. Upload a reference photo to try character consistency. Use a clear, front-facing, well-lit photograph. The cleaner the reference photo, the more accurate the character in the video. Step 6. Apply a motion from the motion library to your character. Browse by category, preview the motion, and apply it to your scene. Step 7. Try lip sync. Record or upload a short audio clip and watch Higgsfield match the character lips to every syllable. Here is the full workflow for creating video with character consistency. Step 1. Choose a high-quality reference photo. Front-facing, good lighting, neutral expression, no sunglasses. The reference photo quality directly determines how well Higgsfield reproduces the character across every scene. Step 2. Upload the photo and create a character profile. Name the character and save it. Higgsfield stores the profile so you can reuse it across all future sessions without re-uploading. Step 3. Write your first scene prompt. Include the location, the action, the mood, and the style. Be specific about what the character is doing, not just where they are. Step 4. Select your video style and camera preset before generating. Add a dolly or pan to bring the camera to life. Step 5. Generate and review. Check the face against your reference photo. If consistency is off, the most common fix is a cleaner reference photo. Step 6. Generate a completely different scene with the same character. Desert Canyon, Space Station, 1920s Paris. The same face in a completely different world. Step 7. Chain multiple clips to build a story. Export clips and edit them in your software. The motion library is the feature that most raises Higgsfield above general AI video tools for human-centric content. Instead of writing text descriptions of how you want a character to move, you browse a library of hundreds of pre-built human motions and apply the exact one you want with a single tap. The motions are organized by category: everyday movements like walking and waving, expressive emotional movements like laughing and celebrating, specific dance styles and choreographed sequences, athletic movements including throwing and jumping, and cinematic motions like dramatic turns and hero poses. The workflow: set up your scene with your character and style, open the motion library, browse by category, preview the motion before applying, then generate. One practical note: always preview before applying. Some motions need specific full-body framing to look right and may not work well in close-up or cropped scenes. Lip sync and face drive are two of Higgsfield's most powerful features for making AI characters feel like real, living people. Lip sync takes any audio recording you upload and automatically moves the character lips to match every syllable. This works with recorded speech, podcast clips, voiceover audio, or any audio generated by an AI voice tool. The most compelling use case is combining lip sync with character consistency. You can have a consistent, named character appear to say any words you provide in the audio. Face drive works differently. You face your device camera and record a short performance. Higgsfield captures your eyebrow movements, smile, head rotation, mouth shape, and expressions, then transfers that performance to the AI character. The character moves their face exactly as you did, with the same timing and expressiveness. Face drive is particularly effective for animated characters and AI avatars. Critically, both lip sync and face drive are fully compatible with character consistency, meaning you can run them together on the same consistent character. Higgsfield's style and camera preset system gives you directorial control over the look and feel of every video. The cinematic style is the most popular. It applies film-grade lighting, color grading, and depth of field that makes every shot feel professionally captured. Photorealistic style pushes toward maximum real-world accuracy. Anime style applies Japanese illustration aesthetics while keeping Higgsfield's character consistency intact. 3D render style produces a polished computer-generated look for game promotional content and stylized brand work. On the camera side, the dolly preset smoothly pushes the camera toward or away from the subject during the clip. Pan sweeps the camera horizontally across the scene. Orbit circles the camera around the character for a reveal effect. And handheld adds naturalistic camera movement for a documentary feel. The practical recommendation: combine cinematic style with dolly for the highest impact result on almost any scene. Who gets the most value from Higgsfield? Content creators who produce series content use character consistency to feature the same AI character across multiple videos without hiring actors. Social media managers use Higgsfield for AI avatar campaigns and brand video content where a consistent spokesperson appearance matters. Indie filmmakers use Higgsfield for character-driven scenes that would otherwise require casting, locations, and crew. Brand marketers use lip sync and character consistency to create spokesperson video at scale, localizing for different languages without reshooting. Educators and coaches create explainer video with a consistent on-screen presenter across every module. Game narrative teams generate character concept video and early-stage cutscene prototypes before full production. And music artists create music video concepts and lyric clips featuring consistent characters across the whole visual identity. Here is what creators are actually making with Higgsfield right now. A content creator builds a 10-episode AI character series with the same character appearing in every episode in completely different locations and scenarios. A brand generates 20 different product advertisements all featuring the same AI spokesperson in different contexts. A filmmaker uses Face Drive to capture emotional performances for the key emotional beats of a short film. An educator records their voice for every lesson and uses Higgsfield Lip Sync to create an AI presenter that appears on screen saying the words in sync. A music artist generates a full music video concept using motion library choreography and cinematic camera presets. A social creator uses selfie to video every day to place themselves in exotic scenes without leaving home. A marketer takes one campaign and localizes it into 5 languages by uploading translated voiceover to lip sync, no reshooting required. And a game studio generates character exploration video for a pitch deck in a single afternoon. Here is the honest comparison. No other mainstream AI video tool matches Higgsfield's human character consistency across multiple different scenes. Professional video suite tools offer broader camera control and post-production capabilities. Dedicated avatar tools often have stronger enterprise features for high-volume talking head production. General AI video tools that focus on environments and objects do not match Higgsfield's human realism and motion presets. The honest summary: Higgsfield is the best choice when consistent human characters across multiple different scenes are the central requirement. For general cinematic video without a human focus, or for professional-grade post-production tools, other platforms lead. 8 tips that consistently produce better Higgsfield video. 1. Use the highest quality reference photo you can find. Clear, front-facing, good lighting, neutral expression. This single variable has the most impact on character consistency accuracy. 2. Save every character as a named profile for reuse across sessions. 3. Default to cinematic style with a dolly preset. This combination elevates almost any scene to a professional result. 4. Always preview a motion before applying it. Some motions require specific full-body framing. 5. Use clean, noise-free audio for lip sync. Background noise reduces lip sync accuracy significantly. 6. Change short clips rather than generating long ones. 3 to 5 second clips give more control and connect more smoothly. 7. Keep the core of your scene prompt consistent across a series. Change only the location or action while keeping character and mood stable. 8. Spend time in the social feed before generating. Tap any video you like to see the exact style, motion, and settings and use it as your starting point. Higgsfield AI pricing. The free plan gives you limited daily video generations with a watermark on all exports. It is a genuine way to try every feature and evaluate the quality before committing. Creator is approximately $12 per month. More daily generations, no watermark on any export, and access to all styles and features. For anyone creating content regularly, Creator is the right entry plan. Pro is approximately $29 per month. Maximum daily generations, access to every feature, priority processing, and the highest export quality. For creators using Higgsfield as a core production tool, Pro is the plan. API access is available for developers at custom pricing. Contact Higgsfield directly for API and volume arrangements. Note: pricing evolves as the platform grows. Check higgsfield.ai/pricing for current details. My recommendation: start free to test character consistency with your specific reference photos before upgrading. Here is everything you need. Start at Higgsfield AI. Free account, all features available to try, no card required. Upgrade to Creator at approximately $12 per month for more daily generations and watermark-free exports. Upgrade to Pro at approximately $29 for maximum output and priority processing. If you are on iOS, search Higgsfield AI on the App Store. All links are in the description below. If this guide helped you understand what Higgsfield can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI creative tool every week. Now go upload your first reference photo and create your first consistent character. See you in the next one.